you will be writing economics in JAMB this year, here is your syllabus. Here is your scheme of work. If you be writing economics, these are the topics you should read very well. These are the topics that will come out. Number one is basic concepts of economics, like wants, scarcity, choice, scale of preference, opportunity cost, rationality, production, distribution, consumption. These are things you should know. Another one is economic problems of what, how, and for whom to produce. Application of PPF of solutions of economic problems. That means you have to know the full meaning of PPF. Then, second topic, economic systems. I am giving you scheme of work, syllabus for JAMB economics. Another topic is method and tools of economics analysis. Method and tools of economic analysis. Of course, there are subtopics inside it. When I send you this PDF, you will be able to look at this thing very well. I will send it to you. Number 4 topic is theory of demand. Theory of demand. Theory of demand. Both types of demand, nature, determinants, elasticity, the measurement, price, income, cross elasticity, and all the rest. Another topic is the theory of consumer behavior. The theory of consumer behavior. Another topic is the theory of supply. The theory of supply. A very important topic. These are topics that must come out in JAMB this year. We have the theory of price determination. Of course, there are many things under the topic. When I send you this PDF, you'll be able to get it. The theory of price determination. The theory of production is another topic. The theory of production. By the way, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just subscribe to Noble Tutorial YouTube channel. Once you subscribe, come to the comment under this video and tell me that you just subscribed, or that you have subscribed and that you want me to send you this PDF. Once you drop your comment, then I will send you this material PDF of this scheme of work, topics to read for economics. I will send it to you on your WhatsApp or on your email address. So go ahead and subscribe now. We will continue. The next topic is theory of cost and revenue. Theory of costs and revenue. Of course, there are subtopics under each topic. That is why I will send you the PDF for you to read up. Market structures. We'll have national income. Under it, we have GMP, GDP, NI, NMP. You'll study these things. We have money and inflation as a topic. Then we have financial institutions as a topic. Then we have public finance as a topic. Then we have economic growth and development as a topic. Then we have agriculture in Nigeria as a topic. We have industry and industrialization. We will now have natural resources and the Nigerian economy. Natural resources and the Nigerian economy. Then we have business organizations as a topic. Then we have population as a topic. We have international trade as a topic to read up. We have international economic organizations like ECOWAS, AU, EU, ECA, IMF, and many of them. We have factors of production and their theories. These are the 23 topics that you have to read as you prepare for economic in JAMB this year. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, then come to the comment section, tell me that you have subscribed so that I can send you this scheme of work or syllabus so that you take your time, read it, each topic and the subtopics under them. I wish you good luck in your JAMB.